In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Forex pairs to MetaTrader 5. If you're new to the platform, this is a very useful skill to know because the currency pairs you want to trade may not always appear by default. The good news is that adding them is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. First, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Make sure the trading terminal is fully loaded so you can access the panels and menus without any issue. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left side of the screen for the Market Watch panel. This is the section where MetaTrader displays available symbols, including Forex pairs. If you don't see Market Watch on the left, press Ctrl and M on your keyboard. That shortcut will bring the panel into view. This is a handy tip to remember, especially if your layout changes or if you accidentally close the panel. Next, go to the Market Watch area, right-click anywhere inside it, and select Symbols. This opens the Symbols window, which is where you can manage what instruments are visible in your account. Think of this as the master list for all the tradable products your broker makes available through MetaTrader 5. When the Symbols window opens, look for the Forex folder. Expand it to browse the available categories, which may include major pairs, minor pairs, and exotic pairs. This helps if you want to manually explore what's available instead of searching one symbol at a time. If you already know the pair you want, you can also use the search bar at the bottom of the window. This is usually the fastest option if you're trying to find something specific like EURUSD, GBPUSD, or USDJPY. Once you find the currency pair you want to add, double-click the gray icon next to it or click the Show button. When it becomes yellow or gold, that means the pair has been enabled and should now appear in your Market Watch list. That color change is your visual confirmation that the symbol is now active. There's also a faster alternative if you want to display everything at once. Go back to Market Watch, right-click inside the panel, and choose Show All. This instantly displays every Forex pair your broker offers, which can save time if you want full visibility without adding symbols one by one. And that's it. You now know how to add Forex pairs to MetaTrader 5, whether you want to enable individual symbols or show everything available in one click.